Welcome back to another slot video. We got 100, 100, that equals 200. 200 in the Dragon Train machine. Pretty new machine. I played it once when it first came out, so let's try to get it. Again, I did win on it once and then I lost once, so let's try to win over here. So let's get started. So we're gonna put in $200 and hopefully it's loud enough. Good? All right, let's get started here. Dragon Train action. So same idea as the game yesterday. We need 6 of the balls or 3 of something, and then this train comes. If it comes, things happen, a lot of stuff happens. We'll play and we'll figure it out.
Numbers go up and start screaming.
Yeah, so let's start with $3 bets just to get a feel for it. So yeah, 6 of those or 3 of those, and we get in the bonus. Here we go. Dragon Train. I don't know. That's what we need. Yo, shit. I didn't even show you over here. So there is the amounts we can win: 10,000, 17, 721, $20 mini bonus, minor 100. So let's try to get something here. There we go. How about like that? Wait. Sorry. There we go. Nice, close and personal. There we go. Perfect. 2 cents. I've been playing on 2 cents this whole trip. It's been like kind of my thing, so just trying to have fun with that. Oh, I should be doing, wait, 100 lines. We got more lines. There we go. $4 bets. Nice. Neighbor got one. $4 bets at 100 lines. She got a bonus. You know what they say. My turn. So I never actually got the train to come down on this one. We're playing at Green Valley Ranch today. Come on. Just hit him right away. Ooh. I like this game. I mean, I like it when I win, but I still want to see the actual train bonus. Like, the train does some cool things. We gotta get one bonus. We gotta get a bonus. There it is. There it is. There it is. Dun dun. Oh. Come on. Bonus. Now we need balls in this bonus. It spins. We need balls now to come up. It's okay. It's okay. We're just checking out here. And now there could be balls in there. Yes, 3 more. Yes! Now it goes, now it's a bonus and a bonus. I'm only betting 4 though. Here. So, something happens with this train if a special one comes up. And if you click the whole screen, you get 10 grand. But we've been there before. I just like these styles. Come on, balls. I just been getting lucky. But we haven't won yet. Come on, reset. One more. Any. Come on. Nice. We need a blue, a minor. Or a major. Green ball. Nice, that's a good one. Nice. 20 bucks. So that's actually 40 bucks. Ooh. You get 10 grand. Hey, it's another 40 bucks. And we still have the free spins too, so that's a good start, good start. There we go, 116. We got 3 spins remaining. Things can happen, things can happen. Oh, this is not the one with the mini balls, I think it's that one. Come on. One more, make it count. Re-trigger. 3 or 6 balls. Come on. 3 thingamajiggies. Come on, 3 dragons. Go. Oh. $160. Alright. So we put in 200 up, $92 on this one. But you know what time it is? We gotta up our bet and go for another bonus before we get back to 200. $6 bets now. Come on, can we get 2 bonuses? Let's change it up a little bit maybe. Now we'll do 5 cent denomination. And then we'll do this one here, 625. Boom, baby! Oh, that would have been epic. Come on. Here's the game plan. Down to 200 or over 300, and we're out. Play it smart. Will that do it? Ooh. Come on. Bonus. Come on, keep us in the action. One more bonus. Well, we saw the spin bonus and a ball bonus, so that's very nice of this machine to share with us. Ooh, that would have been good. Will it share with us another win? These balls are big. Oh, damn. All right, well, I think we'll try another machine because we broke even and we had the bonuses. That's what it's all about. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. What should I play next?